Hi there everyone, my name is Pitamnegi and I welcome you all to this channel. In this video, I will be talking with you about this liquid case that I have ordered it from Amazon for my Galaxy Watch 4. So let's unbox it and see whether it is worth it or not. So let's get started. So this is my Galaxy Watch 4 Black Edition and this is the case. And from color, I believe this case is also black. So let me quickly tear it down. And here we got this Spigen case. Now let's just open it up. And here we go. So here you can see how it look. Now here we also have this installation guide that how we need to insert it. So let me just take it out, and here you can see the quality of it. I hope that this close shot will help you to decide whether you should go for it or not. According to me, I believe the quality of this product is quite decent, I would say. And this product is actually made in Korea, designed in Irvine, California. So let's keep it like this. Now I will show you how you can quickly remove these straps out of this watch. For that you need to press this button in this direction. Okay, so let me just quickly press it, and then you need to pull it, and in this way you can easily remove it. So let me quickly show you. That time it was not visible. You need to press this thing toward this direction like this with your nail or something else, and here you can see. In this way I'm going to do it here as well. Okay, so now here come our watch, and here is the instruction guidelines. Now I will be keeping it like this, okay, as shown here. And I need to make the direction of these things also like this. So this is the direction you can see here and here, and this is the direction, and here also I can see the direction. Okay, so now I will do it like this. Okay, as can be seen here. And now I will try to insert this one like this. Okay, and the last one. Okay, in this way you can fit it, and it look quite decent, I would say. So now again I will fit these bands back. Again I need to pull this inside. And this now got fitted up. Similarly this side. Now let's see how it look in hand. So this is how it look in our hand, and we still can use all the functionality of it. So in my opinion, this case look perfect, especially if you have this black watch. I am pretty sure that this cover will save your watch from accidental fall or any kind of scratches. That's all guys from my side in this one. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content. And I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.